Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Life is Good with Anuradha Vashisht. If you're here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to it by hitting the bell button. So guys, recently I was discussing this with a friend and she was telling me that she's having a lot of breakouts lately. Is your skin also prone to acne and constant breakout? I think I have found the ultimate solution to tackle this skin problem. I'm always on a lookout for the perfect product that not only tackles my acne and breakouts but also helps to decongest my pores and brighten up my skin. And guess what? I think I found my companion. This is Plum's 1% encapsulated salicylic acid foaming face wash. This encapsulation technology ensures sustained release of salicylic acid to the skin, making it more effective and stable than any other salicylic acid product options. This foaming face wash is thoughtfully formulated to fight acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and breakouts in a gentle yet effective way. Isn't that the best combination for the skin? Let me now show you how I use this foaming face wash in my everyday skincare routine. The best thing is that this is made good without sulfates, paraben, phthalates, propylene, glycolin, animal-derived ingredients. This is 100% vegan and this is a bottle of 110 ml. The MRP is rupees 325 in the market. This is good for all skin types, but people with hypersensitive skin, please do a patch test before you can use this product. Let me do a small hand swatch for you and show you how the texture of this foam is. This is white in color and it is so foamy. Let me rub onto my hand and show you how it feels. You can see absolutely soft skin it leaves behind after rubbing it onto my skin. Let's move ahead and I shall show all of you how it is onto my face. Let me do a demo of the usage of this product. This is so easy to use. In addition to the 1% encapsulated salicylic acid, this face wash is also power packed with 0.2% glycolic acid and the goodness of 5 fruit AHAs. This foaming face wash exfoliates dead skin cells, clears excess oil, dirt and dead skin. Gives me a smoother and clearer skin, and this foaming face wash is the real deal. Very easy to use. Apply on damp skin, massage gently and rinse with water, and do not forget to follow it up with the SPF in the day. I'm sharing my coupon code to get 10% off on all the Plum products on their website. The coupon code is SALI10 that you can use on the Plum's website to get a 10% discount on your purchase. Absolutely happy with the result that I'm getting after using this salicylic acid face wash that fights off acne and controls oil. Leaves my skin brighter, cleaner and absolutely soft and glowing. The salicylic acid exfoliates the fruit AHAs and 0.2% glycolic acid helps to gently unclog the pores, clarify the skin and keeps the pesky acne and blackheads in check. You will get all these details in my description box. Kindly check it and you can see the huge result it is onto my skin. I hope you have liked this video. If you have, do give in your like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you in my next video. Take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.